What makes a shower panel truly worth your investment? If you've ever struggled with weak water pressure, fiddly controls, or unpredictable temperature settings, you're not alone. Sound familiar? We've all been there. Stick around to find out which shower panels live up to the hype and which ones might disappoint. Don't forget to like this video and check the description for product links. And hey, drop a comment about your current shower struggles or dream features. Let's dive in. Starting off strong at number 5 is the Blue Ocean stainless steel shower panel. Excited? You should be. This panel comes packed with 8 adjustable nozzles for a customizable water massage and a soothing rainfall shower head. The LED temperature display, a game changer for anyone tired of those frustrating water temperature surprises. At 52 inches tall and 10 inches wide, it fits seamlessly into most bathrooms without dominating the space. Plus, the independent function controls actually deliver consistent water pressure, even when you're using multiple features. Yes, you can have it all. But let's get real for a moment. While the stainless steel construction feels solid and durable, the control knobs can be a bit stiff. Definitely not ideal if you're in a rush. Some users have also mentioned that the LED display can stop working after a few months. And while the rainfall feature is relaxing, it's not the strongest option if your home has low water pressure. On the brighter side, customer service is responsive and genuinely helpful, especially with installation questions. Big plus, right? That said, the installation instructions could use a little more clarity, particularly when it comes to connecting the water lines. Coming in at number 4, we have the Happy Buy Shower Panel Tower System. This sleek 6-function shower panel is here to revolutionize your daily routine, with options like a waterfall, rainfall, massage jets, spa jets, a tub spout, and a handheld shower. It offers a truly luxurious experience right in your own bathroom. But what really sets this shower system apart? The LED screen. It's not just stylish, it's practical, displaying both water temperature and shower time. And the blue LED lighting powered by water flow. Talk about a modern touch. No batteries needed. Now, let's address a few common concerns many of us face when upgrading a shower system. Have you ever struggled with missing components or tricky installations? Unfortunately, some users reported incomplete packages, leading to frustrating delays. And while the manufacturer claims easy installation, you might find a plumber helpful to avoid any leaks. The handheld shower head, while functional, feels a bit less premium compared to the main unit. And if you're planning to use multiple functions at once, be prepared. Water pressure may not be evenly distributed. Temperature control can also be a bit sensitive, occasionally shifting unexpectedly. Although marketed for hotels and resorts, this system's build quality feels more suited for light residential use. It's a good option if you're looking for an affordable way to elevate your bathroom experience, but it's important to weigh these limitations. Coming in at number 3 is the Elo & Alo stainless steel shower panel. If you're ready to elevate your shower experience, this system packs in everything you need: an LED temperature display, rainfall shower head, body massage jets, a tub spout, and a multi-function handheld wand. The 304 stainless steel body with copper faucets? That's durability you can count on. And here's a feature you don't see every day. It lets you use 2 functions at the same time, perfect for those luxurious spa-like moments. Now, here's something to consider. Does your home have enough water pressure to make the most of this? With a 1.8 GPM flow rate at 80 psi, it meets efficiency standards while delivering a steady stream, assuming your setup is compatible. Of course, no product is perfect. Many users find the installation instructions unclear, which can make setup frustrating. And over time, mineral buildup in the filter might reduce water pressure. Regular maintenance is a must to keep things running smoothly. Another thing to note is that the temperature control can fluctuate during use, which might catch you off guard. Plus, while the LED display is handy, it's not always accurate and can be hard to read in bright lighting. Some users also mentioned the massage jets lose pressure faster than expected. So, what do you think of the Elo & Alo stainless steel shower panel? Is it a fit for your bathroom? Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. We'd love to hear from you. Your insights help everyone make smarter decisions. The Art shower panel tower system grabs our second spot with its stunning sleek black finish and corrosion-resistant brass water mixer. Standing at 48 inches tall with an impressive 18-inch shower head, it's got everything you could ask for. Rainfall, waterfall, horizontal massage spray, tub spout, and handheld shower functions. There's a function for every mood. It's built with a multi-layered electroplating that's passed the salt spray test, meaning it resists bathroom humidity like a pro. And to top it off, they back it up with a 3-year warranty, so you can enjoy that peace of mind. But let's get real for a second. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. The wall-mounted installation is easy in theory, but with this unit's weight and size, some folks might find it a bit tricky. Some users have noted that the mounting brackets could be sturdier than expected, so that's worth considering. And when it comes to the water temperature mixing system, it can be a bit finicky. You might find yourself adjusting it a couple of times to hit that perfect temperature. Also, while the horizontal massage spray is a nice feature, the pressure isn't always consistent across all jets. If you're on the shorter side, reaching the controls could be awkward, and the waterfall feature requires higher water pressure than many homes typically provide. While it promises high-end quality, some components may not feel as durable as others at a similar price point. Top spot on our list goes to the ROVOGO shower panel tower system. This is one sleek piece of home improvement magic, with its thoughtfully crafted LED lighting system that sets it apart from others on the market. Imagine stepping into your shower and having those LED beads softly glowing, hidden away behind the nozzles. No more worrying about exposed lighting or awkward designs. But here's something truly impressive. The digital display, which shows the temperature and duration, is powered only by water pressure. No batteries, no hassle. It's not just about looks, though. The ROVOGO offers 2 distinct shower modes, a relaxing mist and a high-pressure rainfall option to fit your mood. Plus, you get 4 adjustable body jets that rotate between a powerful stream and a misty spray. Now, a few things to note. While the 304 stainless steel body and copper valve components are built to last, the digital display can be tricky to read from certain angles. And installation? It's important to pay attention here. Leaks around the body jets could become an issue if not done right. The 5-year warranty is reassuring, though some users have experienced delays in customer service responses, so it's best to keep documentation handy. One thing to remember, the water pressure requirements for this shower panel may need more power than some homes can provide. Thanks for watching this review on the ROVOGO shower panel. If you've had any experiences with this product or have thoughts, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to like and subscribe to W Corner for more home improvement tips and reviews.